MightyOxTrading presents another prop firm discount announcement. Hey guys, well, Bulenox has decided to get in on the game. Now that we have seen the expiration of Apex's latest sale and Elite Trader Funding's latest sale, Bulenox comes in and throws up a 70% sale on 3 of their accounts. Let's take a look. Let's scroll down. For those of you that don't know, Bulenox is very similar to Apex and Elite. A few differences, obviously, but they have put 3 of their accounts on sale at 70% off. That would be the 25, the 50K, and the 100K. Not the 150K, not the 250K, and not the 10K. Just the 25, the 50, and the 100. And it's both option 1 and option 2. What's the difference? Option 1 has no scaling. You can go in full clip right away, but it's intraday trailing drawdown. Option 2, you have a scaling plan, but it's end of day. So you can see here, these are their normal prices on these accounts, but you might be wondering, Ox, how much is it with the discount? Well, I could tell you to do your own math, but I did it for you. For the 25K, $43.50. For the 50K, $52.50. And for the 100K, $64.50. Now, one warning. Bulenox is different than like Apex and Elite Trader Funding in that, yes, they do allow multiple accounts, multiple evaluation accounts, but they only allow you to have one funded account until after that funded account reaches the beginning balance. So if you have say a 50K account and your drawdown's $2,500, you got to make $2,500, get above that threshold, your drawdown gets to your starting balance, and then you can add another funded account. And you got to keep doing that one by one. You got to wait to add another one to that second one. So keep that in mind. If you're gonna go try buying 10 accounts at this discounted price, well, you got to stagger. You got to put the rest on hold if you pass them all at once, and build each one up and on the funded account. So I would recommend not going for more than a couple. Now the discount code on this is Thrive70. We will have the link for Bulenox down in the video description below, and we'll have that discount code so you don't forget it. It's also on the thumbnail. It's pretty much everywhere. Should have put it on the video, but I didn't. Anyway, so let's take that away. We'll take that away. And that's just about it for this video. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, you should. We're going to be constantly doing videos on these prop firm discounts. We keep up with it here and on all our social media. You'll find those links down in the video description below, as well as on the Discord, which is becoming a nice little active trading community. You should join us there as well. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye.